Let us consider question number 25 of WAEC GCE 2025 Mathematics Objective Past Question. It reads, the gradient of a straight line passing through the point with coordinates 2, -3 is -1.5. Find the equation of the line. Now, since we are given just 1 point, the line passes through 1 point, we employ this formula. We have different formulas for obtaining the equation of a line. So m, which is the gradient, equal to y minus y sub 1 all over x minus x sub 1. Now the point is defined by two coordinates, the x and y coordinate. So this is x sub 1 and -3 represents y sub 1. And we also have the gradient -1.5. So we have all that we require to get the equation of the line. So m, 1.5 is the same as 3/2. So we have -3/2 equal to y minus y sub 1 -3 all over x minus x sub 1 2. So we have here -3/2 equal to negative multiplied by negative leaves us with positive y plus 3 all over x minus 2. We then cross multiply this by this by this, so that we have -3 into x minus 2 equal to 2 into y plus 3. Now when we open the parenthesis, we have -3 multiplied by x. This gives -3x. And also -3 multiplied by -2. This gives +6. On the right hand side, we have 2 multiplied by y, 2y, and 2 multiplied by +3 gives +6. So let us rearrange. Let's push the algebraic terms to the left hand side. So we have -3x, 2y moves to the left hand side. We have -2y equal to, we have 6, and +6 is transferred to the right hand side. It becomes -6. So we have -3x minus 2y equal to 0. We can factor out the negative sign here. We have negative into 3x plus 2y equal to 0. We divide both sides by -1 or multiply both sides by -1. The effect is it's going to cancel this negative, and for 0, 0 remains unchanged. Let me start with y. So we have 2y, so that it conforms with one of the options in this question. So we have 2y plus 3x equal to 0. So 2y plus 3x equal to 0 is the answer to question number 25. See you in the next one.